Are you a business consultant or a coach? Have you ever considered your own branded mobile app for your services? In today's world where physical contact and travel isn't as easy as it used to be, a mobile app gets you closer to your customer, and it's never been more important. You can now stream your coaching via online services like Zoom and Microsoft Teams. With the in-app PDF feature, you can display your content and training files to your clients so they can download and access them at any time. Do you have an important message or opportunity you want your clients to know about? Or why not use the incredible push notifications feature that will be sent directly to their phone, which has been proven to have a much higher deliverability rate than email? Why not add a video and an image gallery to show your training content? You can even charge clients a membership fee to access your password protected content and take payment via Stripe, PayPal, or even bank transfer. Add all your social media feeds and more. So, what are you waiting for? Contact us today to get started, and let's explode your online coaching business.